Hello everyone, this is Ahalya Devi Adpa, studying in Kavya Institute of Technology and Sciences. My registration number is URK20CS3028. Here is my experimental record work 1 of operating system. The first experiment is about basic Unix commands. The first question is to execute the commands date, and we have to print the date of month, date and year, and then the time, year and day of the date of the month. And also we have to print the calendar, and we'll give calendar plus year, which year we want to print the calendar, and then calendar of month and year will be given, and then the month calendar will be printed over here. So I have already done these codes, so I'm showing you the outputs. So I'm giving the command date, so the day is Monday and it's December 13th, and the time is printed over here, and also the year. And then we are giving date plus the date only should be printed, so I have given plus modulus of d. So the date was printed as it was December 13th, and the year is 2021. And then I am giving the time command, so the time was printed, and then the year command, and then the date command. After this I am giving the calendar, so as it was the December, the December calendar of 2021 will be printed over here. And then we are giving calendar plus year, so I have given 2021 calendar, so 2021 calendar was printed over here. And then the month and year, I have given 10th month of the 2021, so it was printed over here. So this is about the first question. And then the second question is to create a directory, and we have to navigate to the directory and create three files, and we have to list the files in the folder. So mkdir is to create a directory, so I have created a directory as Ahalya, and I'm navigating it. I'm giving I'm creating three files. They are 4, 5, 6, and I have displayed all the three file names over here. So this is about the second question. Then the third question is to create a text file with my registration number, and have to display the contents in the file, and it should count the number of lines, words and characters in the file. So here I have written the code. It is cat greater than URK20CS3028. That is my registration number. So cat greater than means we are creating a file with some content. So we are using this command, and I have given the statements as the sentence one is hello, and then the sentence two is my name is Ahalya. So I have to count the sentences, words and characters. So the command is wc and the file name. So here I can see the number of sentences is printed over here, and the number of words, and after that number of characters are also printed over here. So this program is also executed. And then the fourth file is to display the usernames who were logged into the system now, and save it into a file. So I'm seeing the activity of the system, who were logged in and who were logged out. So it was all printed over here at this point of time. Then Then the fifth question is to change the mode of the owner alone with the execute permission for logs.txt. So the command is chmod space u plus x space logs.txt. So the mode of the user with the execution permissions for log.txt will be changed. ls is nothing but list all files, and subdirectories is sorted in sorted manner. And then the next question is to change our home directory. That is a pwd command will be used over here. uh, so the data will be printed over here. Then the next one is uh, give some data, and we'll display the students names and counts the number of students who are interested in grid computing, image processing, and the first two rows and the last two rows will be printed over here. So this is the code for that. We have given all the information, and we are calculating the number of students who have taken grid computing and image processing, and the first two members and last two members details which were printed over here with these commands. And then the next question is using mv minus v and all these operation files. So we have used all these files. First, we have created all these files, and we are deleting rm rm files means we are deleting these files. So then the next one is to perform sorting of three files and store the sorted files. So first we are taking all files, and in file 1 I'm giving data as hi, and in file 2 as I am, and file 3 Ahalya, and I'm giving the fourth file name as all. So I'm storing all these. Hi, I am Ahalya is stored over here. Then the next question is to change the permissions of your newly created file such that the group users and others don't access any type of access. So the command is cat will create a file as s1.txt txt, and I'm giving the sentence as I am Ahalya. So I'm giving the commands as chmod, some value, and text file name. So this is only the user has read and write permissions, this command means. So the files which I have used in the above were printed over here. So these are the 10 questions we have got, and I have done all the 10 questions. Thank you so much.